Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to check the oil in your Nissan Murano. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface to get an accurate reading. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for at least 10 minutes after driving, as hot oil expands and can give a false high reading. Once cooled, open the hood and locate the bright yellow dipstick handle, usually clearly visible near the engine. Now, carefully pull the dipstick completely out of its tube. Use a clean rag or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the metal stick. This step is essential for an accurate measurement. Once clean, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Make sure it goes in smoothly and completely to avoid any incorrect readings. With the dipstick fully reinserted, pull it out one more time. This second pull will give you the true oil level. Observe where the oil mark falls on the dipstick. There are usually two small marks or holes indicating the minimum and maximum oil levels. Your oil should ideally be between these two marks. If it's below the lower mark, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil level is low, consult your owner's manual for the correct type and viscosity of engine oil for your Murano. Add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time, and recheck the dipstick after each addition until the level is within the safe range. Remember, overfilling can be as harmful as underfilling. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Regular oil checks are vital for engine longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.